Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Gusti Hanan Yusuf. I'm an interviewer from Universitas Negeri Malang. Today we're going to talk about real estate agency, and we have an interviewee from very inspiring and experienced businessman. I hope that we could learn and inspire from his story and his background. Please welcome Heru Andre.
Thank you, Gusti. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Irandran and I am the owner of the real estate company in Jakarta. And thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. I hope my experience and my story can motivate you all about to make a company in Indonesia.
Alright, that's a very interesting introduction from Heru Andre.
Yes.
And it's such an honor to have you here. I hope that your story could motivate many students in
Okay.
Indonesia. So first thing first, I want to know what is your background and how you've become what you've become today to inspire many students.
Okay. Okay. I was a civil servant for around 10 years and now I'm become the owner because I have connection from other people and politicians, and it is all is my friends, and now I have investor and others. It is from my job, my last job in the civil servant. It is my background.
So you have no first the many investors from your previous job.
Yes.
From your civil servants, right?
Yes.
And,
Because
yeah, yeah, and from your previous job, you built so many connections, so many like friends and colleagues. How easy do you make like friends?
okay, it's actually it's not easy, right?
Yeah.
But I have to try it again and again, and then I have a lot of friends because yeah, my friend is trust to me, trust to my company, and then yeah, until now I can have a lot of friends because yeah, I have connection with them, and they trust me. It's simple, but it's not really easy. I think in the first. Okay.
It's not really that easy to make friends.
Yes.
And so right now, let's talk about your company. So how do you handle the ups and downs in your company?
Oh, it is really hard for me. Even for me, it's really hard. But I have a method to fix it. In first, I buying a time. In simple way is I ask the investor and ask my friend about that, about my problem in my company, and maybe I buying them around 1 year, even 2 year is most a long time for me, but it's it's really, and then I can fix that.
So what was you're trying to say is like you need time to fix the problem,
Yes.
and you cannot suddenly fix that. It's for just 1 minute. He needs time to think, to solve the problem, like for if it's hard problem, what time do you need to fix that? Like a month?
Maybe around 1 year because
Oh,
my company is really large, and I think it's not easy if I have only one month to fix it. Yes, because that I asked about 1 year.
1 year.
Yes, at least 1 year.
At least 1 year.
Yes.
So, like your customer, your investor, they need time for a long time to
Uh,
their problems to solve. Like they didn't complain or something.
um, maybe some people will have a complaint for me, but I don't care really. I don't care with yes.
Oh,
I
right.
don't care with they complain, but I give the trust for them that I can fix it in 1 year. If you don't trust me, okay, you can go back from my company. You cannot be my investor. It's really simple for me.
Okay, that's really interesting.
Yes.
From you. And I want to know about your company.
Mm.
Um, what's your biggest profit and how much profit do you make a year if you can tell?
Oh, okay. My biggest profit, right? I have biggest profit in 2024. It is
Mm.
around one 100 billion
Wow, it's so
rupiah.
good.
Yes, it is very large, even for me. Yes,
Okay.
and I have less profit is in COVID-19. I have a lot of loss margin in my
Loss
company.
margin.
Yes.
Oh, that's so bad.
Mm.
I wonder, like, if you have so much money, what do you spend for your money? Like, we must be wondering, right? Like,
Yes.
are you buy cars, sport cars, and houses? Yeah.
It is like that. And in first, I buy my house. I buy a house, especially mansion.
Mansion.
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
because the house is really important for me. Yes, for my family also. And then I use my money for spend to crypto. You know what crypto?
Yeah, crypto.
Yes.
You play crypto also?
Yes, and
Oh.
I get a lot of money in here.
Oh yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
So next question, everyone.
Mm.
Hero, do you concern to expand your business abroad or something?
I have future plan, but is I want to release it in next year maybe. I want to expand in Malaysia because
Malaysia.
because I have a lot of friends in Malaysia, especially in Sarawak, in Kalimantan Island, you know, and it's really biggest project for me, and I think it can give me more money and I can contribute for make my country because it is involved the both country Malaysia and Indonesia, and it is about coconut palm.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, it is. I have project to make a factory for coconut palm in Sarawak, and it's
Sarawak,
really
Malaysia.
biggest. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
it's really biggest project for me, and I have cooperate with Unilever to make it.
Yeah, that's a good plan. So let's move on to the next question. And the next question is before we have talked about your business in the real estate agency, also in the palm coconut. Um, so we have to expand the business. Before we have to expand, we have like a promotion to get our business
Oh.
famous around the world. So my question is,
Mm.
how do you promote your business?
Oh, promote my business. I promote from mouth to mouth. As I mean is, you can you can make you can tell to your friend about your company. Yes, especially in businessman because you can sell or promote it in internet like like small product in supermarket on other. No, it is not effective. And yes, you can only use the connection to promote your business because it's the building company, not not selling the product like the others.
Do you not also concerning like to promote and considering to promote in like social media like Twitter, Instagram,
Mhm.
Facebook?
Mhm.
Do you also promote in that platform?
Uh, yes, but not
Often.
yeah, not often. It is
Okay.
like I just promote my house in resident. Then the sellers can sell my house, my lot of my house, and then yeah, it is just promote in house, not promoting my company, not promoting my company
Oh,
for
so-
real project like that.
Okay.
Mm.
So you're trying to focus on your salesman to
Yes.
for the selling part, like the
Yes.
promotion part.
Yes,
Okay.
it is. It is exactly, and
Mm.
yes, because salesman is the job is to sell my house
Okay.
and my resident to the consumer, and my focus in my company is to promote with my businessman friend or the other.
Oh, that's a really good
Mm.
answer. And the next question is, what skills do you need in your business, especially in the real estate agency?
Negotiating, because it is really important to talk with other people, with other businessmen. They have the smart head, and if you don't have any skill in negotiation, you will lose really. And then you must brave. Is the second skill is brave. You must brave to do something like take the risk. High risk is no problem.
High
In
risk,
you-
high return.
Yes.
The important skills is like communication,
Yes.
communication to other
It
people.
is also important.
Communication.
Yes. It is part of negotiation, I think.
Yeah. And also build connection, right?
Yes, it is really important.
Mm.
I almost forgot about that.
So let's move on to the last question. The last question is,
Hmm?
what do you want to say about people who wants to build a company just like you from scratch?
Oh,
And
yeah.
you can also motivate them.
Okay. To build company, you must clear your educational school because it is really important, and then you can make a connection, especially maybe in university because maybe they will become to your customer in future.
In the future.
And second is you must have a connection with not only the government because the businessman also important, I think, and you must have connection with the boss because yeah, if you don't have it, yes, you cannot make the company, especially real estate company, because it is the key for the company.
So the key for building company is
Yes,
connection.
really important.
Connection is the most important thing.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, Hero. It's such an honor to having you here,
Mhm.
and I hope we could learn, we could share his story to
Mm.
inspire
Mm.
all of the students all around Indonesia, not just from Universitas Negeri Malang. That's all for today's interview.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Heru, for your
Yeah.
time. My name is Gusti Hanan Yusuf. Thank you.